These videos take less than 10 minutes to make. No camera, no editing team, and they're making over $20,000 per month. I copied this format exactly, and what happened next surprised even me. This is one of the channels right here. No filming, no face. Just short clips, voiceovers, and text. And this isn't a one-time thing. This format is still working, even after YouTube's latest update. I even pivoted another channel to this exact method. The very first video hit 460,000 views, and 2 weeks ago, someone from my private community tried this for the first time. He got monetized in 7 days. Here's why most people miss this. They think YouTube rewards effort, but it doesn't. It rewards retention. These videos are engineered to keep people watching, which is why YouTube is pushing them so hard right now. The craziest part, about 85% of this entire process is automated using artificial intelligence. No filming, no voice recording, no complicated editing. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the exact system, how to find the clips, how to script them so YouTube doesn't demonetize you, and how to turn this into something repeatable. So don't skip. One small mistake here breaks the entire strategy. What these videos actually look like and why they work. When you first come across these videos, your instinctive reaction is often disbelief. They look too simple to work. Short clips, a calm voiceover, a few lines of text on screen, and clean pacing. Nothing flashy or overproduced. There's no aggressive editing, no loud personality, and no visual chaos fighting for attention. And yet, this exact format is outperforming many high-effort YouTube videos right now. The reason is simple. YouTube doesn't reward effort. It rewards watch time and retention. These videos are intentionally designed to keep viewers watching longer. That's why channels using this structure are consistently generating six-figure incomes without ever showing their face. The success isn't luck, it's structure. The core strategy, simple but precise. At its core, this entire system revolves around three very specific actions. First, it identifies content that has already proven demand, meaning the audience interest is already validated. Second, it transforms that content into original commentary instead of simple reuse. Third, it packages the final video in a way that aligns perfectly with YouTube's current discovery and recommendation system. That's it. There's no guessing, no trend-hopping panic, and no relying on hope. You're not trying to invent demand from scratch. You're redirecting existing attention in a smarter way. This is why the system scales so well. When demand already exists and the structure is optimized, growth becomes predictable instead of random. Step 1. Finding viral clips. The right way. Most people fail at this step because they overcomplicate it. They scroll endlessly, save random videos, and rely on gut feeling instead of data. That's not a system. The smarter approach is opening TikTok in incognito mode. No account, no cookies, no personalization. This matters because TikTok's default feed shows what's globally exploding, not what aligns with your personal interests. From there, strict criteria are applied. The clip must have at least 20 million views, a clear emotional payoff, a moment of tension or surprise, and be under 60 seconds. If even one condition is missing, it's skipped. Emotional payoff matters because people don't scroll for information. They scroll for feeling. Step 2. Why the script is everything. This is where most creators lose. They assume the clip itself does all the work, but that's not true. The clip only supports the script. The script controls retention, monetization, originality, and pacing. A bad script can completely destroy a great clip, while a strong script can make an average clip perform exceptionally well. This is also where artificial intelligence becomes either dangerous or powerful. Most people tell AI to write a script, which leads to generic results. Instead, the smarter approach is guiding the AI with structure and proven examples. When scripting is done correctly, it doesn't feel like narration. It feels like a story unfolding, which keeps viewers watching. Feeding the AI proven patterns. The AI being used isn't guessing what works. It's learning from patterns. By feeding it real transcripts from channels already generating millions of views using the same format, the AI begins to replicate success indicators. These include hook timing, sentence length, curiosity loops, and pacing rhythm. Instead of hoping for creativity, you're leveraging pattern recognition. The process is simple. Upload the viral clip, attach proven transcript data, and let the AI analyze. Within about 30 seconds, it generates a script that hooks immediately. It's not clickbait or fluff. It's structured storytelling designed for retention. This removes randomness from the process and replaces it with repeatability. choosing a niche without losing months. One of the biggest fears creators have is choosing the wrong niche and wasting time. The truth is that most niches don't work. That's normal. Dozens can fail before one clicks. But when a niche works, it works fast. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't motivation. It's systems. People who follow structured methods see results quicker because they remove emotional decision-making. You don't need to join any program to start, but execution matters more than information. If you're someone who actually applies what they learn instead of endlessly consuming content, the system rewards you. The key is testing intelligently, not emotionally. Step 3. Voiceovers that build trust. Voiceovers play a much bigger role in retention than most people realize. A bad voice instantly breaks immersion and causes viewers to scroll away, often without consciously knowing why. That's why a natural-sounding artificial intelligence voice is used, one that feels calm, human, and non-robotic. The goal is trust, not excitement. Once the script is ready, the audio is generated and downloaded in about 30 seconds. At this stage, the total creation time is still under 10 minutes. Despite the simplicity, these videos can generate hundreds, thousands of dollars each because they maintain viewer attention. Trust keeps people listening, and listening keeps retention high. Step 4. Editing for retention, not beauty. Editing isn't about visual beauty, it's about movement. The goal is to keep the viewer's brain engaged. First, all dead space must be removed, because pauses kill momentum. Second, every new sentence should be paired with a visual change. This subconscious reset keeps attention from drifting. Third, the video must constantly progress toward a payoff or climax. Staying too long in the opening causes retention to drop. Curiosity should increase, not fade. Once this flow is understood, editing becomes fast and efficient, often taking less than 10 minutes. The result isn't flashy, it's watchable, which is far more valuable in YouTube's algorithm. Step 5. Upload strategy that signals the algorithm. Uploading strategy sends subtle signals to YouTube. Videos should be uploaded from a phone rather than desktop to access trending audio. A trending sound is added at around 10 to 15% volume, loud enough for the algorithm to detect, but quiet enough not to distract viewers. Titles matter, but only after content quality is solid. Trending phrases can give an extra push, as YouTube recognizes behavioral patterns across the platform. Posting once per day is ideal. Posting more can appear spammy and hurt trust. Consistency beats volume every time. The goal is to look like a real creator, not an automated system flooding content. Zero views and monetization. Reality zero-view videos are normal, especially early on. To reduce this, it's better to use older YouTube accounts rather than freshly created ones. If a video gets stuck, waiting 1 or 2 days before posting again often helps. If the problem continues, abandoning the channel and moving on is sometimes the smartest option. This is why running multiple channels increases success probability. It's a numbers game. As for monetization concerns, this method is not reused content. It's commentary with custom scripts, voiceovers, and clear transformation. YouTube can distinguish between reuse and original commentary. Follow the formula correctly, and monetization remains safe. This system has generated multiple 5 figures per month. No hype, no luck, no guessing. Now the question is simple. Are you going to use it or just watch another video? If you want the fast track, the link is below. Otherwise, start building. I'll see you in the next video.